Aero Mode is a feature on Ram 1500 ETorque trucks with air suspension that automatically lowers the truck at speeds above 35 miles per hour for better aerodynamics. This improves fuel efficiency by 2 to 5 mpg on highways, saving gas and money. To enable Aero Mode using the Uconnect touchscreen, start the vehicle and access the main menu. Select the vehicle option from the home screen. This opens the Vehicle Settings menu. Choose Suspension from the options. The Suspension Mode menu appears. Select Aero Mode to enable it. A dashboard notification confirms the change has been made. To enable or disable Aero Mode using the Ram Connect app, first pair your smartphone with the vehicle. Open the app and navigate to Remote Commands. Then select Suspension Mode. Choose Enable Aero to activate the mode for better fuel efficiency at highway speeds, or disable to raise the suspension for comfort and clearance. This feature requires an active subscription, which is free for the first year. If your Ram 1500 ETorque is equipped with the optional air suspension package, you'll find an air suspension button on the dashboard. This button provides a manual override for the suspension modes. Pressing this button cycles through the available suspension modes: normal for standard height and comfort, aero for lowered height and better aerodynamics, and sport for a firmer ride. Keep in mind that Aero Mode will engage automatically when driving at speeds above 35 miles per hour, unless you've manually disabled it for better ground clearance or comfort. Aero Mode in the Ram 1500 ETorque lowers the suspension for improved aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. However, this reduces ground clearance, so disable it in certain situations. First, disable Aero Mode for rough terrain. The lowered height can cause the truck to bottom out on rocks or uneven surfaces. Second, disable Aero Mode when towing heavy loads. Higher clearance prevents scraping and improves stability. Third, disable Aero Mode whenever maximum ground clearance is needed for comfort and capability. Safety features ensure Aero Mode operates securely. The system won't lower the suspension if obstacles are detected by sensors. Additionally, Aero Mode is disabled in four-bodied low or towing mode to maintain safety and stability. Sensors located around the vehicle monitor the environment. Dashboard messages alert you to any safety concerns or mode restrictions. The automotive industry is shifting toward electrification and adaptive vehicle dynamics. Aero Mode fits perfectly by improving fuel efficiency through better aerodynamics. Looking ahead, expect full integration into electric Ram trucks with AI-driven adjustments for optimal performance.